We are pleased to show you the 2011 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.